ahead, take it out. No, let's take it out.
Oh, man.
We're gonna get it. Let's say the cheese. Let's say Oh, yep, it's coming out. Put some water in there. Spit it out. Put the water out. You put some water. Put water in your mouth. Put them out. It's okay. It's almost done. Spit. See, look, it's coming out, Tristan. You gotta pull it out. You gotta pull it out like a big boy.
You can do it.
Me? You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. I don't want to hurt you, okay?
Yeah.
So I can move it this way. Move it that way. Oh, there you go. It's out. Yay! Say cheese. Ah. There you go. You did it. It's your tooth. It's your tooth, Tristan. Hold on, I don't want it to go down the drain. It's gone. It's tooth, y'all. I should have worn some gloves, but hold on. I need to put some water in your mouth. Put some water in your mouth and spit it out so we can stop the bleeding. That's Tristan's tooth, Steve, good boy. Yay! Yay, Tristan!
Yeah, we got two. We got two, guys.
Yeah, let's take cheese. It's gone.
Yeah, we got it.
We got it.
Yeah.
You see? You can leave it right there, okay? Is that cool?
Yeah, we got it too.
We do. Have fun. You're so strong. You did a good job.
Now we get buddies.
Maybe. We get money from the tooth fairy. Yeah, we gotta make it pretty. We're gonna put it in the bag, okay?
And we get buddies. And now we get on the beach.
That's all I care about. Good morning, everyone. And this is why I constantly clean, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, Tristan's tooth came out today. I don't know why he just feel like he's invisible at this point, even though I pulled it out. He is currently at school, and I'm home. I'm preparing the house right now to exercise. This transformation from gym to home workouts, you really gotta motivate yourself to do your workouts. I'm pretty much doing calisthenics, to be honest, when I break it down, but I'm still also doing like the gym for treadmill, and I'm going in to do like the bike here. This looks dirty. Look at this. Ew! So while the robot is doing its own thing, I'll be in here trying to get some movement in, pretty much, and just, I guess, relax here. It's still super cold here, and I know what is cold exactly, because I know other people have way colder temperatures, but it's cold, like for real. Currently, right now, it is, I think, 34 degrees. I think it's gonna warm up. I think we might get 60 today. I hope so. A lot of things have been shutting down in a lot of people's houses because we're not prepared for the cold. A lot of plants are dying. I think I might hit like a couple stores today. I don't know. It's only because I really don't want to deal with being cold. I'm in my house and I have the heat on. I think I have the heat on like 74, and I still have a sweatsuit on. I just don't feel like being cold at all. No. I've been cleaning this house top to bottom. Well, I'm about to clean the bottom of that goddamn chairs, but there's really nothing else to do in here. Update. The HVAC system and the air ducts or whatever are basically under construction. This is about to cost so much money. When I tell you, stress don't even, I can't, the word stress is not even appropriate for the situation. Do you know how much that crap costs? Mbusa about that. We started smelling something off in the 2 vents that are in our bedroom, and we just thought, oh, well, I thought, I'm like, oh, okay, maybe something dirty in here. When I tell you, constantly I'm cleaning, freaking using bleach products, everything. I pretty much almost killed myself trying to clean in there because I couldn't figure out what the smell was. We closed the vents, and it's been 2 weeks, right? Which means obviously in our bedroom it's freezing. Don't even smell like any type of scent, odor, nothing, right? So we're like, okay, we have to call the people. Every time those people come out for our AC and heating unit, we always coming up at least $1,000 every single time. I'm like, every single time. They came here, they went up in the little attic, walked around. We have a buildup of bacteria, and it's really big. They gave us pictures, videos, etc., and it's like black. It's giving mold. It's giving, I wonder why I've been coughing like I'm dying in here. And I thought it was like leftover mucus from the flu. No, I have asthma. I cannot live in these circumstances. This about to kill us, okay? Oh my goodness. So that's what's going on. We're supposed to get an estimate tomorrow. If we're not going anywhere, you know why. Maybe we can try to get a loan or something, but if we are not going anywhere, just know that we are literally reconstructing a whole house. That's just how I feel right now. A whole HVAC system and the air ducts. What? Yeah. I don't want to go nowhere. Target can't fix this. Hobby Lobby can't fix this. Not today. I don't want to go nowhere. I think I'm going to exercise, eat something real nice. It's early. I might game today. Good news is I did buy a new desk. It's the desk that like goes up and down. Pretty excited to get my office back, to be honest. It's my office / gym because I was working out in there for like the longest. The Murphy bed is coming in, and it's not the one that's coming down from the wall. It's the one that's the dresser, which I mentioned before. I am excited that that's on its way because then I can have flexibility. And when I'm going to show y'all, whenever it gets here, I'm going to let y'all see how I decorate the office, how I put everything together. Hopefully it doesn't take forever. I just want it to be cozy, like adult cozy. I want like the sage green. I think I'm addicted to that, and black. I want those colors, and I want it just to feel like I'm lost in some type of garden. I'm not going to lie. I'm leaning towards Ghibli type aesthetics. You won't actually see Ghibli. It'll be the colors. It'll be the elevated colors, okay? Yesterday, I ended up getting these doorknobs because I really wanted to do something with this. I want to clean this door first. Maybe repaint it, new fresh paint. Don't you come in here. You get back. You get out of here. A nice new color of paint. And then, I mean, this would be cute if I could have these as wooden doors, but I don't think I want to do all of that right now. I don't want it to contrast, but I will be painting that. I thought these were nice. They were only, let's see, $3.99 from Hobby Lobby. You know, upgraded a little bit. I think that would be well. I do want to probably move this over, and I don't like how rough this looks, so I might actually move it over and move it up. And I wanted to get one of those, like, I think it's the cork like board. I want to get one of those maybe on this side, but I am excited. I have a lot of little new details. Like I wanted these pens, which apparently are, I guess, eco-friendly. They're made of plants. Then I got this. I didn't even do a haul for y'all. I just was getting stuff. Like I got scissors that are made from plants, and it's by this company. And I thought they had like the little cutest things. Y'all see how like I want plant stuff? I'm a plant mommy, okay? Easily distracted by plants. This is me all the way. Now this isn't plants. It just works. I'm probably gonna get a spray to spray these so they're all not different colors or different kind of gold. I want this color gold, not this shiny gold, or like either, I don't know if this is like 24 karat, but it's still shiny. I'm going to go get some spray paint and do that. This is the keyboard I have right now, but I also wanted to upgrade the keyboard. Do nothing to my mic. The mic is cool. I just got this and it works really well. But I am definitely excited to see everything come together. I really can't believe Tristan lost his tooth. I just can't. It's okay. So many more are gonna get lost and come back. They're gonna come back nice and strong, which I have noticed. When he smiles, you can't even see the teeth. It's like, well, my teeth comes together now. It's like his teeth, I don't know, overbite. I think that's what it's called. You don't even see it. They already told me that he's probably gonna need braces later on. I'm like, God dang it! Like, just talking about money. Ugh. I am exhausted. My hair has risen to the occasion. I'm on the phone with my mom. I pretty much spent 45 to 50 minutes exercising. My body is so sore right now. And it's because I missed 2 days of exercising just because I'm dealing with the stuff in the house. Like, I just didn't feel like it. But then I decided, oh, okay, let me just do it all today. I should have did a modified version of those things instead of doing my full workout. And then technically, I'm supposed to get on the bike right now to do a 10-minute ride, pretty much. I'm not doing that. The first exercise was all legs, and that was like the first batch. The second batch was supposed to be upper body and back. I know I don't feel it in my legs right now, but I'm gonna feel it. I definitely feel it in my back. My back is killing me. Remember, everybody, stretch before and after, please. I am extremely excited. I didn't think my desk would get here today because it said Wednesday, but you already know what I'm about to do. Sitting in this house, yeah, I'm about to build this. I almost broke a nail trying to get it in here, but I'm about to build it. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm excited. Yay, the desk is here. I'm still freezing, but the desk is here. I think I like the plants on this side. I'm gonna start it on this side because it's a little full over here. So now I can like move this over a tad. I still want the stand for this one to make it go higher, and I do want a stand for this too. And these I'm gonna put on my bulletin board over here. And I need to get one of those boards so I can put these in instead of them being here. I was randomly outside just considering if I wanted to garden today because it got warm. It did. There's a little baby one. I don't know where these, well, I know I put these carrots down, but this is a nice one. I left these in here, y'all. Like, just left them. Look at that. Pathetic. This is a nice one, though.
Red one.
You gotta follow the red one.
What is this? Daddy, what does it say?
What part? It's a lot over
Just the way, just two. Can you follow? This is a yellow one. This is a yellow one. Oh, do I want to shoot you? Bang, get on here. Daddy, what is this? This cough?
just updated my screensaver. She is so relaxed, okay? That's how I feel. Just want to hear the water and just lay back and be in nature. Like, no phones, no nothing. I mean, granted, I'm on my phone right now, but everything is everything, you know? I just got some product from Amazon, so I'm really excited to open them. I believe it's a new keyboard, new desk mat, and it's like a laptop stand, so I definitely wanted to open it with y'all. So I guess this is my haul. Now that I'm sitting here thinking about it, this is a haul. First, I have the desk mat. Ooh. Oh, she big. Look at that. Y'all see? This reminds me of my other bathroom. I have a curtain that's kind of like this. She cute. I like her. So she is definitely big. I didn't know she was this big, but she is, and I'm okay with that. It does come with a cup holder, which I don't know if I'm going to use because I want to use like the glass over here or the mirror coaster. And then it also comes with a armrest for a keyboard and your mouse. It has good cushion, so yeah, definitely need this because I have wrist issues, so yeah. So this is the stand, and this is the wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Let me open this first because I need to see. Hopefully it's not the color off base, knock on wood, because I want it to be the right color. Please, 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 please. Yay! It is the right color. So this is what it looks like. And then, for instance, reference. Very hard to find these kind of things when you are looking online. You don't know if it's the right green or not, because this came up as like avocado green, and this don't look like no avocado green to me. But cutesy. You can barely hear this one, but you can hear that one. So it's supposed to be like slightly, and this is only because I'm banging on it at this point. And here's the mouse. Yeah, so it takes batteries for this one too. What is this? I don't know this. Oh, it's a little chip. I should know that. I will switch the battery. I need a brand new battery. I think that other battery got some things going on with it. So that is this. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I love the colors. I love it. I love it. I want some more of it. So these are the colors together so far. Definitely a little busy, but I love this. Like, cute. Oh, mouse. And now I need to put my stand up. I don't know if I want to flip more of the pink up here or not. I'm not sure yet. I don't think I do because I don't want it to match this to the T. So I'm probably gonna leave it just like this. Let me have a moment. Do I live a uber smooth life? No, I do not. Do I romanticize everything I do? Absolutely. Why? Because I want to be happy. I want to be serene. Do you think the food that I prepare is always perfect? No. Y'all don't want to see what I really go through. Sometimes you've already seen it. I am a goofbox, okay? Most of the time, I done dropped something. I done messed something up. Something was burnt in the process. But I want to romanticize the things I do because it causes me to just breathe, okay? It's fun. It's a challenge, and not realistic, but it is a challenge, and I love it. I just want to be honest with people. I don't want no one to think that they have expectations to have everything perfectly right on the first go. Absolutely not. Don't know everything, and I'm okay with that. I'm still learning. Like, I was sitting here putting cookies together, right? And I was like, oh, let me just put it on a napkin. I have not used these plates at all. This is supposed to be for fall. I didn't use these plates. I can use these whenever. I was just like, oh, wouldn't it be cute to do this? But then sometimes when I be seeing people do this, I'm like, so they're just perfectly nice looking on the plate. I'm ready to debunk immediately. I made it a mission of 2026 that I want everything I touch to feel like a cozy moment. A moment. I know we hear cozy 24/7 because it's true. You really feel like warm inside. You feel good. When I go out in my garden, ain't not cozy about that, but I've seen creators make it look like peace on earth. When I go outside, I'm tackling grasshoppers, fire ants. I'm getting chased by bees. Y'all have seen that too. I try to give the real slash cutes because it's like what I see in my head. Like, oh, I go outside. First of all, I love going outside. Even if it's a muggy day like today and it's raining, I like listening to the rain. You gotta kind of capture that. If you guys are like upcoming content creator, just like me, pick your lane is how I want to say. I like the sounds of things. I go to the beach just to listen to the water. I want to capture the water. I want to capture the sky. I want to capture, everybody happy. I don't want to capture somebody mad about something. I don't even want to be mad about something. I don't want to even capture that because that's not the kind of vibes that I am going for. I always say good vibes only. And I believe that. I tried to preach that. I tried to live that. I just want y'all to know. We not perfection over here. I'm not even trying to be. I'm just having a good time. While I'm opening this laptop stand, I realized, now that I got a little older, I actually really like oatmeal cookies. Oatmeal raisin cookies, specifically, over chocolate chip. I know, crazy. Now, if I had some ice cream, I probably would pick chocolate chip, but for some reason, the raisins, I used to love raisins when I was younger, so, like, a kid. And I'm just addicted to it, but for some reason, I've just been wanting oatmeal raisin cookies. And these are so soft. I get this from like a local grocery store. I need to be careful because sugar. Okay, I'm like assuming right now only because did they give us instructions? No, they didn't. So I'm assuming I just slide this in here. Now if I break it, be pissed. It looks like, yeah. Ooh. All right, you definitely gotta put some elbow grease in this. This ain't for the weak, okay? So let's see, put this in here. That means I gotta force this in here too. God dang it. Gosh darn nabbit. They was trying to make sure this was a tight fit. No. So this, even though it is gray, yeah. Even though this is gray, I will later spray paint it. I want it to be white. Yeah, I want it to be white. Also, I did see that I can put vinyl on these things, like on my actual laptop, and I can put it on the screen. Let me show y'all. I can put it on the actual screen. So obviously I wouldn't have to buy another monitor. I could just change the color. Obviously I'm gonna ask my mom about that because she knows about vinyl and I don't want to mess up my stuff. But apparently that is approved for devices. Do not use regular pill and stick, people. Don't do it. So this is the stand. Let me lift this up. Oh, hold on. I got a lot of contractions back here. A lot of things back there. Oh yeah, I got back up. Oh yeah, I definitely have tons of room this way. Oh, I like it. Talking to my mom on the iPad, but I can move this to the side. I just don't want this to fall. So I'm gonna probably leave it like that. But it's some room, like in case I wanted to, like, I heard I can put this here if I wanted to move it out the way, or some type of storage. What I really want is to put these two plants back up here because I moved them. But I do like this setup. Let me see if y'all can see. But yeah, this is my little breakdown. Definitely a little busy, but it's cool. I don't know if I would keep this gold. It is pretty, but it's a little gaudy, like I said. That's why I didn't want shiny. I wanted like this kind of stuff. I might just put that here anyway. I don't know, but it is cute. I had a marble coaster, so I brought that instead. I don't know. I need to see if like we can actually wash this, because I did hear that someone was like it got dirty quick, I guess because of the white. But I added like this little pillow I already had and this blanket, because I know I'm gonna get cold randomly. It's like inevitable.